Here's my meatballs and the sweet and sour sauce. It's looking very yummy, guys. That would be my lunch before I go to work. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make oven meatballs. I have here a medium ground beef, about 2 pounds. And I have here 6 crackers. This is unsalted one. You have to crush this. It's easy to do this way. And add 1 teaspoon salt. And mix it all up. And I will add this. This is not sponsored. This is Pampered Chef. 3 onion rub. It's dry. It's kind of dry, but you can use white onion or yellow or red onion, but I'm using this. About 1 tablespoon. And set this aside for now. And in another bowl here, I have 1 egg. And 1 tablespoon of ketchup. And 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And 1 teaspoon of prepared mustard. And a 1/4 cup of milk. And mix it. and mix this into the ground beef. Mix it all up. And I will start making these balls. You don't want to put it in the oven. But for me, I like to do without any oil. To me, oven meatballs is healthier than frying them. This one is ready for to put it in the oven. I'll bake this for 325 degrees oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, and see you later. I'll making here a sweet and sour sauce for my meatballs. In this saucepan here, I have 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch, half a cup of cold water, a 1/4 cup of vinegar, and a half of this beef cube bouillon, half of this. And then I will put this on top of the stove on a medium heat. I just cook until thick and clear. After half an hour in the oven, my meatballs is ready. And I'll transfer this into this bowl. And my sweet and sour sauce is ready too. It's just thick. Not quite thick, but just about right. Here's my meatballs and the sweet and sour sauce. It's looking very yummy, guys. That would be my lunch before I go to work. Let's eat. I have meatballs here. Gonna have some sauce. Gonna taste it. It's very good. I have asparagus for vegetables and rice, of course. Okay, I will finish my lunch. See you guys later. Thank you for watching my video, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments. Bye-bye.